Hello, I'm Joe Walensky from WritersUA, visiting with some of the many presenters who will be at our WritersUA West event in Palm Springs coming up in March. And today I'm visiting with Linda Lior. Hello, Linda.
Hi Joe. Nice to see you.
And where are you talking to us from today?
Well, I'm situated in the hilltop town of Zichron Yaakov, which is located in the Carmel Mountains of Israel.
All right, well, thanks for being involved in this. And if you're not familiar with Linda, she's been involved in technical communications and specifically software development for a number of years now. She worked at Microsoft for many years, and currently she's an information design consultant. She recently published her book, Writing for Interaction, Crafting the Information Experience for Web and Software Applications. And Linda's topic at the conference will be techniques for crafting user interface text based on user reading patterns. So, Linda, why don't you tell me a little bit about your talk?
Well, I've been fortunate to be working in the software industry for quite a while and fell into basically my specialty is designing and crafting and writing the text that appears within the user interface. And very often this is dev-driven, and developers have little or no experience in working with and understanding how people actually read. Now, technical writing for a long time dealt with books and online publications, but more and more we're seeing that the information is right in the user interface. The helps are in the user interface, embedded within either help bubbles, balloons. Users don't necessarily, especially when you're talking about a web application, they're not necessarily going into online help systems. They expect sort of that just-in-time information, and most of us, or a lot of us, never really think about or haven't had the opportunity to be involved in getting that information into the user interface in a way that best meets our users' needs. It's often an afterthought of the developer, and my talk is about how we can look at the user interface and apply principles of how users read and understand how they look at information to better create an experience that suits their needs.
Well, following up, are there any particular challenges that you've found as you've been involved in this work that have been ones that others might want to be aware of?
Well, I think one of the biggest challenges is changing the mindset of the development team to understand the importance of bringing in the information designer or the technical writer, whatever you want to call yourself, and bringing them in at the very beginning so that they can help the developers create the entire page as a piece of information, following how the user is going to be looking for the information they need and the order in which they need it, and the words they need to be using to help them best complete the tasks that they're trying to complete.
All right, great. Well, thanks for taking a few minutes to preview your session, and we'll see you in Palm Springs in a couple of months.
Looking forward to it. Thank you. Have a good night.
Bye-bye.